Hey guys, so
What's
today...
inside my downstairs basement fridge?
Yeah, that's
I had strawberry ice cream.
yeah, we'll see in a minute. Alright, here's the fridge. First, we're going to start with the freezer. Freezer. Okay. We got, oh, that's a lot of frozen meals.
I got this. I don't know what that is.
Okay, now...
No, we're not done
hold
yet.
on, wait, there's
No,
bomb pops. I want to look at the bomb pops.
Because we got this. Anyone know what this daily harvest thing is? Is this
No.
ice cream or something?
I want to look at this. Okay.
Oh, and then we have this popsicle.
Let's open the bomb pops, okay? Okay.
Bomb pops.
I'm going to open this. This is... Who knows how old? Ew, and these are sugar-free ones, but... Guys...
All
Alright, make sure you guys like part 2.
Bye.